Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your very first workflow in Airo Workflow Automation. Workflows are a powerful way to automate repetitive Shopify tasks, save time, and reduce errors. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, we'll open the Airo dashboard and navigate to the Workflows section. Click on the New Workflow button. Give your workflow a clear name, like New Customer Welcome Email. This helps keep your automation organized, especially as you create more workflows. Next, you can select a pre-built template. Templates make it easy to get started without building everything from scratch. Once selected, you can customize it to fit your store's needs. Now, let's set a trigger. Triggers are the events that start your workflow automatically. For instance, you might select Customer Created so that every time a new customer joins, a welcome email is sent. Other triggers include Order Created, Product Updated, or Cart Abandoned. You can even combine multiple triggers if needed. After setting the trigger, it's time to add actions. Actions are what your workflow does in response to a trigger. Common actions include sending an email, tagging a customer, updating an order, or sending a webhook. Simply drag the action into the workflow builder, connect it to your trigger, and configure the details. For example, a welcome email can include the customer's name using variables.
And that's it! You've successfully created your first automated workflow in Airo. Explore more templates and triggers to automate other tasks in your Shopify store. Start automating today.